What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So I just want to take a quick stop here and talk about the riding modes and the suspension modes, because I didn't get to touch on that yesterday, and I want to show you guys what's going on with this bike. There's a lot of options on this bike, almost overwhelming, so I'll try to be as concise as I can. So if you go to ride modes, you have, so if you have the tech pack, which includes the track pack and all that stuff, you have track, you have performance, you have sport, street, rain. So performance and track almost seem similar. So what I haven't really rode on each of those extensively, so I'm just going off of what I'm reading. So performance seems like same as the track, but you retain some of the other options such as cruise control maybe. So, and then also of course the gauge doesn't look like the track mode. The track mode gauge looks like track. It has like your anti-slip like numbers, and you can just fly through them. So there's that, and and then you have the sport, the street, the rain, which is the standard stuff. So let's go through that's the ride modes. So suspension is a little bit more extensive. So suspension, you have damping, you have automatic setting, which I haven't tried, but which I guess is, I don't know how it detects, I don't know what automatic means. Like, is it automatic in the sport sense, automatic in the street sense? I'm not really sure. Like what is automatic? So I just put it on sport because I don't know. Street seems felt pretty good yesterday, like a little bit more. The sport seems a little bit more firm, like you can feel every single bump in this freaking street here. It looks smooth, but like you feel everything. So I'm guessing, and then you even have comfort, which is, I guess even softer, and you have track. So it almost feels like there's just so many options, but that's fine. The more the better, right? And you have advance. So when you go advance, you can set everything from the damping, preload, anti-dive, the fork travel, fork number, shock number. So I guess it's completely custom. So I don't know anything about this stuff. So I'm gonna go back to street, and then when I take it to Dave Moss or any suspension tuner, they can explain to me what they're doing, and there's that. So I just want to show you guys that real quickly. It's a very extensive system. It's a very smart system. There's so much options to choose from. But overall, the bike rides amazing. So I'm gonna leave it at street right now. I am taking it easy. I just want to take a break here. I'm putting on some miles. I want to show you guys, what's. I get a walk around here in the sun, because I didn't really give a proper walk around yesterday, because I was kind of in a rush. So let's leave this as street, and damping was street, preload was auto standard. So I forgot to say, so you have an auto high, an auto standard, and auto low, and you can set it manually, your preload. So I've been using standard. I tried high, I haven't tried low. So high, you're kind of sitting in the upper side of the compression stroke. You're sitting a little bit high, almost like a GSA. How GSAs are if you max preload, it's almost like that. So it's almost, it's pretty much the same. So that's pretty simple. And you have the anti-dive, which is like the GSA telelever suspension in the front, but this one, I guess it does it in the forks. I haven't tried it. We'll try it someday. And that's it. That's all. I just want to take a break and show you guys that it's a very extensive suspension system, which is, KTM. All this electronics kind of scares people sometimes. But so I got the Evotech radiator guard there. Hopefully you guys can see that on the video. Very easy install, only 2 bolts. So you can see, here it is in the dark, in the shade. See, the tank is dark kind of greenish blue, and I'm braking really hard. I'm almost over here in this compression stroke. let's put it in the sun. I haven't put my my dash protector. I ordered it. It hasn't arrived yet, so I'm waiting for that because that screen it looks very very sensitive to scratches. So you can see now that it's in the sun. It's a little bit greenish blue. You can see that there's sparkles in the sticker there. So it's just a really nice color bike overall. I like it. I really like it. I have right now I'm in like honeymoon phase where I don't have an urge to modify anything else on the bike, but of course down the line, maybe once I track it and I remove the stuff and I'll be like, oh, this is the look, you know, and then I'll just get like a fender eliminator. But for now, it feels like, this is it. This is the setup. It looks good. I don't need to change anything. For a stock fender, this thing doesn't look too bad, honestly. I'm not just saying that because if you recall the Super Duke, the stock Super, the Gen 2, goes all the way down here. It covers the over here on the rear wheel, but this one stays up there. Also, for some reason, this part here, the ugly turn signals, it's not in your face as it was on the Gen 2. So it's kind of like I don't really notice it there, but I know that they're there. I know that they look horrible, but you can it's easy to ignore them when you're looking at this bike overall. So I don't know what else to say that I didn't say yesterday. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna ride it some more, learn about it some more, and if there is any more some things that I need to talk about, I'll make a video out of it. But so far, in terms of suspension, just know that there's a lot of settings. So if you're thinking about like, oh, it's just a simple semi-active suspension where you do presets, no, it's actually very extensive where you can go in an advanced mode and adjust everything manually through numbers, like a S1000RR, I guess. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.